गोय काँग्रेसीन आयतारा राजीव गांधी हांची पुण्यतिथी तशेंच एंटी टेररिझम दीस पाळ्ळो. जातीचें राजकारण सोपोवन उडोवपाची मोख आमी ह्या दिसा निमतान दवरपाक जाय म्हण विरोधी पक्ष फुडारी युरी आलेमा उलयला. RDXGOA ब्युरो रिपोर्ट.
We cannot forget that during his campaign, he died for the Congress party. And this sort of anti-terror day today, you see, it was because we should also remember of several attitude of certain sections of the people, of some fascists have contributed even to the death of Mahatma Gandhi ji. The murder of Indira Gandhi ji, all these are due to also certain elements or fascist elements. Apart from terrorism, we should also abolish such communal approaches. As our leader says, Rahul Gandhi says that this shop of hatred should go. Communal politics should stop along with terrorism today. We should all also take a pledge that this communal politics should go away.
This was the man who was for all seasons a very soft-spoken, kind-hearted, and at the same time a very tough person when it came to terrorism. आणि ताणे आपणाचे लाईफ त्याग दिले. LTTच्या लोकांनी ताका मारलो कित्याक? Because he took a stand to ensure the integrity of a neighboring country, Sri Lanka. खूपशे लोक म्हणताले, why are we interfering? But that was the statesman like a prime minister, a visionary, to ensure not only our safety, security and integrity, but also those of our neighbors.
And I remember when he came to Goa, in an interaction with me, he had said, talked about mobile wallet. I never even thought of it. We didn't even know. Spoke about what today we have ATMs of withdrawing money at bus stops and things like that. This was a futuristic vision to which our dear Rajiv Gandhi had given a free hand to revolutionize and to take our country forward. You may also know one more thing. I won't repeat all the other things which other speakers have said, but age of voting from 21 to 18 was also reduced by Rajiv Gandhi and by making a constitutional amendment in 1988.
Oh, these are me manaita. Kidak Songlolo Surges Rajiv Gandhi. No, he forgot Deshaso und seven worldacho they call a leader that together. He was a visionary, Adan Sangal Bashin, architect of modern India. IT sector, tani revolutionized kelo. मागीर एज आमी वोटिंग एज देंवयली, बायलांक पंचायतांनी सगळ्याक रिजर्वेशन केलें. म्हणजे ताका देश मुखार चल्लोलो जाय आशिल्लो.